I just totaled my pickup truck.
I rent a group in the house with some baby girl.
Friday,
I ain't gotta motor the boat, but I can float your boat. So listen, baby girl. Once you get a dose of dope, you gon' want some more. So listen, baby girl. When I make it, I want you there. I want you there, yeah.
Those are the tires. He always does it. That's his warm up.
Oh, he loves it. That's his favorite part.
Wow, that car looks and goes, man.
Yeah, it does.
Car looks and goes.
Yeah, it does.
Just gotta remember that we're in a freaking pickup truck here. Not a race car. But hey, we'll catch up.
Still don't know how much that blue car pushes.
No, huh?
Nope.
That's your car?
Yeah.
Nice. I've been looking at the damn turbo kit in the ground for a day, a couple weeks ago. I saw it over there and I was going, ooh, I said, what's this for?
For which car?
For your car, for the 330. You got, George put it in, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. I saw the kit before it was installed.
It's the one that Nick made.
Yeah.
He's lighting it up on stage.
Come on. All right. He's wheeling him down. He's wheeling him down. He passed him.
Wow, that was close.
Nah, but he got him. The 330 got him. Your car got him. Pulled him on the top.
Third gear, right?
Going? Yeah.
Third gear.
That's when that car's gonna get good traction.
Yeah.
Is he gonna go on the highway or not?
I'm waiting here to see if he's gonna do it or not. I don't think he's gonna.
I think George is going on the highway.
George wants to go on the highway. I think he wants him to go too. Yeah,
they're going.
Okay. That's what I came down here for.
Action, huh?
That's it.
You like the action.
That's what I came down for. Now we block 95 like we do always.
Where do you oughta go?
York's gone. I don't know where York's going.
Where the fuck did he go?
truck has such a big nose that I gotta lift the camera all the way up there.
You can see through the tinted window though. It doesn't bother you too much.
No, it doesn't bother me.
Outside snowing.
Beautiful.
And we're racing. I'll have a heart attack here, shit. The lady just freaked out.
Oh my god!
Maybe I leave my sister's hood open on Bible shit. You can be a proud owner of the E92 motor. Yeah, that would be good. And you shoehorn that bad boy in there.
George is right behind us.
That's the sorest losing motherfucker I've ever seen. I let him go, dick meat. He's got nothing. Seriously. You see me pulling away from him? Easy. If he wanted to get his rev up, he would take off, and then I'd have to play catch up. That's one sore motherfucker, man. Seriously. And he got beat on stage. So you saw him? Yeah. Caught him like
Yes.
that.
George, station
His
was
car.
good.
Second gear, the fucking one
Go on
legger.
station again.
Not breaking the guy's car. I race him even.
One more
Second
time.
gear, it's over.
Go on station again.
Yark upset.
We're still Go, 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 go!